Hey friends, this is Latif Obiorval and welcome to the update on SEI. On SEI's price chart, we have been covering three falling wedges. This was, by the way, a third falling wedge pattern that SEI recently formed. Previously, we have been watching this wedge, and after the breakout, we had a very massive rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was almost 1154%, very massive rally. After that, it was stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had another very nice pump. And recently, the price then was rejected by this down trend line resistance. And this resistance of 70 cents, a quite strong resistance that was previously working as a resistance here. And before that, it was also working as a resistance here. Recently, for several days, it has been working as a resistance. And the price then got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And despite this falling wedge pattern is considered as a bullish path, but this time, rather than breaking out, the price then broke down the support of this falling wedge pattern. And the technical target for this breakdown from this wedge is, by the way, as per this measurement here, that is approximately at this long-term support of 17 cents. And so far, the price line is dropped at the bottom of this support line. Approximately, we had a spike up to 18.80 cents, slightly lower than the bottom of the support line. By the way, this support line starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. That was previously working as a support line here for several days and support here. And now, again, the price line is bounced from this support line. And now we are moving above at the top of the support line at above this support of 22 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SCI that I shared in the previous month of January on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish candle pattern that SCI formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see that after the completion of the final leg, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction. And by the way, this was the complete trade setup. Buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then again dropped down, re-entered the buying zone, and then we had a very nice pump and beat the sell target zone, even moved slightly beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of SCI, and this is the daily time frame chart. And recently, you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this volume wedge pattern. After getting squeezed, finally, we have broken down the support. The technical target is here, by the way, at this long-term support of 17 cents. And so far, the price is dropped up to 18.80 cents. We are very close to hit that target, but could not break down this long-term support line. That starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. That was previously working as a support line here. Before that, for several days, it had been working as a support line here as well. And this time, again, the pricing is bounced very well from this support. And in case of a successful testing the support line, the price then gears up, then this previous support of the wedge can now work as a resistance. And obviously, the resistance of the wedge will be again working as a resistance for the price line of SEI. Now, here you can see that as we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can also observe that this support zone was the recent swing low point before the breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, the significance of this support line from 22 to 20 cents is very high. But now, in order to hit the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, we will need to break out so many resistance levels. Previously, we had a very nice smooth rally, but the price was rejected by this downtrend line resistance and this resistance of 70 cents. Now we need to break out the previous support of the wedge and this resistance of the wedge. Then we will need to break out this resistance of 32 cents, 41.6 cents, and then we will need to break out this resistance, this downtrend and resistance as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is still here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1 to $1.14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well and for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.